Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the do not disturb mode on the Google Chat application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this menu icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on settings and then scroll down until you find this notifications section and click on the do not disturb button. Here you can select from these preset options, so like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 or 4 or 8 hours, but you can also tap on the until a specific time option and you can customize it by picking a relevant date and a time too. Then click on the set button, and as you can see, the chat notifications are muted until your selected date and time. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.